Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get the game sound coming through the TV, like for your game play and audio like gunfiring and stuff, and then the party chat coming through your headset, so you can have it split up in two different ways. Now to do this, let's go up to settings right here, and this is just a simple setting, and we want to go down to where it says sound, then go to audio output, and then go to the right. So you can see my output device. We can switch this over to my TV if I really want to. But I have selected to my headset, and I want to go down, and when our headphone is plugged in, we can go to output to headphones, and we can select all audio. This is going to combine the game sound and then the party chat sound into your headset. If we go to voice chat audio right here, only the voice chat is going to be going through your headset. The game sound is still going to be coming through your TV. So you can select it right there, and that should fix that issue for you. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.